Right Tunneling Public Company Limited, Thailand's expertise in civil engineering and geotechnical construction. We would like to take you to experience the Klong Tron Dam Hydropower Plant, one of our proud achievements. Since the year 2000, for over 23 years of development and innovation in civil engineering and geotechnical construction, we have gained trust as a specialist locally and abroad. The construction of a hydropower plant is another pride that the company has collaborated with the Electricity Generating Authority of Thailand and the Royal Irrigation Department. This aims to develop water resources for the utmost benefit in the form of hydropower plants or the use of water to generate electricity before releasing it back to the irrigation area downstream with no effects on the amount of released water. Klong Tron Hydropower Plant is one of 4 downstream of dam hydropower plants that the Cabinet approved on the 12th of September 2017. The construction started on the 5th of January 2018 and was completed on the 11th of November 2020. With a production capacity of 2.5 megawatts, Klong Tron Dam Hydropower Plant can produce electricity at 11.83 million units per year. The project value is 277.45 million baht. Klong Tron Dam was built straddling Klong Tron Stream in Hoi Mang Village, Nam Krai Sub-District, Nam Pat District, Uttaradit Province. It is an earth embankment dam approximately 48 meters high and 220 meters long. A water catchment area is about 265 square kilometers and 78.69 million cubic meters of water inflow per year on average. Klong Tron Dam Hydropower Plant is located downstream of Klong Tron Dam between the existing control house and the spillway. The plant is a semi-underground reinforced concrete building. The building above ground is 12 meters wide, 32 meters long, and 10 meters high. There is one reinforced concrete bridge crossing over the downstream channel of the spillway. The total capacity of 2.5 megawatts is from 2 generators with 1.25 megawatts each. These are designed such that electricity is consistently produced in according to the suitable amount of water being released from the dam at certain time intervals. In running a turbine generator, high head water flows rapidly through a turbine, causing the runner blades to spin. The generator, which is connected to the turbine, transforms the energy from the turbine into electrical energy and connect to the power grid of the Provincial Electricity Authority, transmitting the electricity from the plant to communities in the vicinity and other areas. Water for electricity generation will be used according to the water supply plan of the Royal Irrigation Department. The amount of water that passes through the generator is equal to the amount of water that is regularly released. No hazardous chemicals are added. This ensures that the irrigation water will be of the same quality as the original water from the dam. Klong Tron Dam Hydropower Plant construction requires advanced engineering knowledge in several areas. In geology, including the analysis of geological conditions at the foundation and the foundation improvement during construction. In civil engineering, design and construction of power plants with underground generators, including penstock and tail race structure of power plant. in electrical and mechanical engineering, design, installation and control system of hydropower generator and balance of plant equipment, as well as connection to the transmission line system of the Provincial Electricity Authority. In environmental engineering, system design and landscape improvement to minimize environmental impact. Klong Tron Dam Hydropower Plant is the pride of right tunneling. We are ready to be a leader in advanced engineering, ready to develop and create projects that are beneficial to society, community, and have no environmental impacts. Ready to step forward to reliable sustainability together with investors, contractors, partners, and all stakeholders. Because we are Right Tunneling Public Company Limited, only the best we do.